In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your artwork as a clean, professional PDF that's easy to share, print, or archive. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful options along the way so you can choose what's right for your project. Once your design is ready, head to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. This opens the Save dialog box where you'll decide where the file will live. Pick a folder you can easily find later, whether that's a project folder, a client folder, or a dedicated exports folder. Keeping your files organized now saves you time down the road. Next, type a name for your file. Use something descriptive so it's obvious what the document is without opening it. Many people include a version number or a date to keep track of updates. For example, a clear name might include the project title and the final tag, so you know it's the approved version. In the Format dropdown, choose Adobe PDF, shown as .pdf. This tells Illustrator you want a PDF rather than a native Illustrator file. PDFs are great because they're widely compatible and preserve vector quality, making them ideal for sharing with clients, teammates, or printers. Click Save. You'll now see the PDF options window. If you need to adjust settings, this is the place. Compatibility determines which version of Acrobat the PDF supports. If you're sending the file to someone else or to a print shop, choosing a more compatible option helps ensure they can open it without issues. Compression controls the balance between image quality and file size. For print or high quality viewing, keep downsampling conservative and use higher quality settings. If file size is a concern for email or quick review, moderate compression can help, but be careful not to reduce quality too much. Marks and bleeds are essential if your design goes to print. If your document includes a bleed, enable Use Document Bleed settings so color or imagery extends beyond the trim edge. Printer's marks, like crop marks, can be turned on when requested by your print provider. If you're unsure about any option, the defaults are usually safe. When you're ready, confirm your choices to finish the process. Illustrator will save your file as a PDF in the location you selected. That's it. Your design is now saved as a PDF and ready to share or print. Thanks for watching, and great job bringing your design across the finish line.